we are in the train station right now, and we're about to go to Morocco. We have, well, I got all our bags over here. We got Cute, we got Skylar, we got Harrison, and we got bags. So we about to head to the airport, and I will catch up with you guys later because people are staring at me.
And here's the train.
Good morning. I'm in Marrakech, and it's been an interesting start. It was a long flight. I can explain that later. But we got here at like 1 a.m. to the Airbnb, and we were hungry. The owner's mom ended up driving Harrison to get us McDonald's last night because we were starving. We landed super late. The airline broke a wheel off my bag, so now I have a 3-wheeled bag. And yeah, you know, but we got here. We're alive and such. We are going ATVing / quad riding this morning, and it's at 10 a.m. when they're gonna pick us up. So I gotta have to get out of bed. It's like 8. We are on our way to go quadding.
Greetings.
And there's QQ. Hi guys, we just went quad riding. We're not done yet, but we took a break, and now we're in this little village area, and he's pouring tea. And it's so cute. Those are our quads over there. Thank you. This is so cute. And then they gave us cookies and some tea, and we about to eat. Hi guys, sorry the lighting's a little bad right now, but oh, it got a little better. But right now we're on this rooftop like restaurant, and we're all eating traditional tagine, I think it's called. Q and Harrison have the beef one, and then Sky and I have the chicken, and it's so good. And then we all got the same smoothie thing. I don't know if there's alcohol in it or not. We thought there was, but it doesn't taste like it. So either it's a really dangerous drink or it's virgin.
Thank you. 3, 2, 1.
Good morning. We are going to Atlas Mountains today and riding camels and some other stuff. But we are on the little like bus van thing right now on our way to a valley, I think. And we're also gonna get some meals. I'm gonna try to vlog a lot of it for you guys since I didn't vlog too much yesterday. So let's do it. This is the baby camel. I just took pictures next to her. She's so cute. Yes.
focus.
We've been in the Atlas Mountains. I've showed you a few clips and we made a few stops and I tried to film everywhere. So hopefully I got everything a little bit, but look how pretty this is. Look at that. That's the highest mountaintop. No, my camera's dying. It's so pretty out here. There's donkeys down there, a waterfall.